Gina with WTI. When I look for a pair of shoes for my husband, I look for something that is going to be super comfortable because he is very picky. Not only do these Oxford leather shoes from Moodeng look amazing on my husband, but they're also very comfortable. One of the reasons that they are so comfortable is because the rubber sole on them is bendable. That's so nice because as he walks, it's not restricting the movement of his foot, and that really aids comfort. These are slip and water resistant, which is perfect for the area that we live in because we get a ton of rain. My husband also likes shoes that are not too difficult to put on. And although these are lace up, they're elastic and you just simply pull them and then there's a tab that keeps the laces. So it just makes it really convenient and no nonsense to put them on. My husband wears a size 10.5. That's the size that we got these shoes in, and we would say these are true to size. We got the brown pair and my husband really loves how stylish they are. There's a little bit of white on the sole and the contrast with the brown and the black is just very appealing. My husband and I think these are great shoes, and that's our point of view.